I'm Jossa and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making a gingerbread house cake. Yes, a gingerbread house cake using a cake mold pan that I purchased at Amazon. For anyone who's interested, I will put a link at the description down below. First, let's preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Next, let's grease and flour the pan. In a separate bowl, sift 2.5 cup flour. 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves. Now we sift our flour and all the spice. We can put it in the sides for now, and we're gonna work on the butter and the brown sugar. So we're gonna whip them together till they'll be creamy and fluffy for at least maybe 3 minutes. Okay, unsalted butter and a brown sugar. Next, we're gonna crack 1 egg and we're going to put 1 cup of molasses. Then we'll beat it again. Next, I'll be putting half a cup of applesauce and half a cup of hot water. Now it's time to put our flour mixture. Next, let's add up a 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our cake batter is ready to be moved inside the cake mold, so let's move it. Our cake batter are inside the cake mold now, so we're gonna pop this inside the oven and bake it for 40 to 50 minutes. Then we'll put a toothpick and it'll check it if it's ready, and if not, we're gonna put another few minutes. Okay guys, here are the final results. I hope you guys like it, and as always,
don't forget to like this video,
comment down below,
and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And
Happy Holidays!